Strategy is moving away from forward operating bases and towards longer rotations. But in the field, these wet wipes don't get you clean. They just smear the grime. You end up dirty, sweaty, and dealing with a whole bunch of skin rashes, chafing, and poor sleep. And to top it off, your rucksack is crammed with 2.5 pounds of wipes. Ready for something different? Well, what if this standard canteen held enough water for a full shower, and these heavy wipes are about to get replaced by this tiny 3-ounce pack? Meet the Geyser Field Shower Kit. It's a personal hygiene system that turns your canteen, your Nalgene, Camelback, or water can into a shower. In fact, this water can is enough to shower 20 soldiers. Setup is really easy. So step 1, I want you to protect your power bank. These kits come with Nest Out's 5,000 milliamp hour battery banks. You can do 2 things to protect it, just hanging on the edge of the can with this lanyard, or you can just put it inside the Mylar bag. Step 2, go ahead and drop the inlet tube into your container. Step 3, I want you to take your sponge and connect it to the outlet hose line. Step 4, uncover the power button by sliding this upwards. Go ahead and press the power button and select your flow rate, low, medium, or high. And then go ahead and grab your sponge and just start washing. The sponge is putting each drop of water exactly where you need it. It's mechanically cutting and lifting and rinsing the grime all in one step, making it 20 times faster, less water, and a whole lot easier for you to actually get clean. Our kit also comes with these powdered soap packets. So these are specifically designed to be lightweight. They're only 2 grams, low lather, so it's taking less water to rinse off, and they also leave no trace behind. To start using it, all you got to do is just tear it, put it on the sponge, and then 1 minute after you start your shower, the same sponge is going to be rinsing you off. There's not going to be any lather around. By the way, each sponge lasts around 4 to 6 weeks, and they're really easy to swap. What I don't want you to do is I don't want you to pull on the tube, swap it out. What I want you to do is pinch underneath the logo. You'll feel the tip of the outlet tube, and while you pinch it, I want you to pull on this string, okay? So what's happening is this anchor, it's coming back and coming out of the opening of the sponge. And to attach a new one, it's really simple. Just compress the edges of the anchor, push it into the center of the sponge, and make sure that the anchor is sitting inside that diamond stitching. This is also cross-compatible with any power bank that you may have. All you need is a USB. Our kits come with Nest Out 5,000 milliamp hour power supplies. This is enough to provide 60 showers, and they're great. They're waterproof as well as impact resistant. This kit is scalable and available in 4 configurations according to your unit size and mission tempo. One pump can support an individual. It can also support a team, a squad, a platoon. All you have to do is have one soldier carry and set up this pump while the other soldiers carry their individual sponge and soap pack. So inside this pack, you've got 2 sponges, you got this last bit of hose line that connects to the outlet, and you got 16 powdered soap packs. So all a soldier has to do is, when the shower is set up and ready, is connect their hose line, add their powdered soap, and go. It's really simple. If you're at the front of the fight or face a faster mission tempo, then consider the individual or team configuration of the field shower kits, designed to turn around a clean unit way faster. If you're at the rear of the fight or slower tempo, then our squad or platoon configurations of the field shower kits may be a better fit. What does this mean? Well, your squad is no longer rucking around all these wipes for 2 weeks. Your squad now only needs this, and this is going to last you for 12 weeks. Don't believe it? Well, look at this glow germ test. On your left, you've got wipes smearing contamination and funk. They just don't get you clean. On the right, you've got the field shower kit connected to a 1-liter Nalgene bottle, which gets you completely clean. You get the speed of a wipe with the actual cleanliness of a shower. So whether you're in the deserts of NTC or the swamps of JRTC, the Geyser Field Shower Kit is a breakthrough for your unit's health, morale, and welfare. Stop the chafing, rashes, and field crud. Stay cleaned, focused, and mission ready. Talk to your supply sergeant and order your field shower kit. In the next video, I offer 6 pro tips and some special features to operate your field shower kit. In the meantime, you can also visit geysersystems.com or just reach out to us at support@geysersystems.com to learn more.